far from him, but no problem. Just enter inside.
이거 video the person.
This thing that we can show it. Let me take over the mic away. This way. Mama. Snake. Snake. Mama, wait. Hey, which one is this?
Oh.
No.
Not that one, not that one.
That's all. Say all.
Not that one. Oh. Mighty me, Daddy.
What is this?
That's grasshopper.
No, that's lobster. What is this? That's shrimp.
That's shrimp.
You can call it shrimp or you can call it
Shrimp.
crown.
Shrimp.
What about this one? No, that's crab. That's crab. Crab. What is this? It's crab too. It's crab. What about this? It's shrimp. It's at home now. They've been barbecued. What is this? What is this?
Designed by world famous architect IMP. The museum
Oh, say
combines
seal.
modern architecture with
Say
traditional
seal.
Islamic design, creating a breathtaking masterpiece beside
No,
the
seal,
Arabian
seal, seal.
Gulf. As we walked through the museum, every corner felt like a journey through history. Inside are rare collections of Islamic art, ceramics, jewelry, textiles, and ancient manuscripts from across 3 continents, spanning more than 1,400 years of history. The soft lighting, giant geometric windows, and peaceful atmosphere make the experience feel both luxurious and spiritual. One of the most unforgettable parts of visiting the museum is the incredible view outside. From the museum park, you can see the stunning skyline of Doha shining across the water. Whether you love history, architecture, or simply beautiful places, the Museum of Islamic Art is a must-visit destination that truly shows the cultural beauty of Qatar.
I know. Sorry. Sorry, what's your name? I know. Okay. Oh. No, he's Charlie, did you read the face? Give me the background.